What's up guys, Johnathan Stuckey here. Going to talk to you today about using the Quicksilver oil change kit to change the oil in your 4-stroke Yamaha 250 Show. Before we get started, we're going to talk about everything you need to have on hand. First and foremost, good quality engine oil, something built for marine application. I prefer the Quicksilver 4-stroke marine oil. It's got the FCW certification, which means it's good to use in any motor and will not void a factory warranty from any brand. Of course, an oil filter, funnel, a rag to clean up your little mess, bucket or a drain pan, and whatever your preference is on an oil pump. I bought this one on Amazon. It was really cheap, less than 20 bucks. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it gets the job done. So the first thing we got to do is remove the cowl. Really easy deal. It's got 3 latches, pop them off. Give it a tug. That's it. All right, so once you got everything together, go over to this side over here, take your oil drain cap off. You can go ahead and put your funnel in that came with your kit if you want to. Set your oil pump up wherever you'd like to. Have your drain bucket or your drain pan below. Take the dipstick out. Wipe it clean. Take the small tube of your oil pump. Run it all the way to the bottom of the crankcase. Fire up and wait. Once you got everything drained, take your filter. It's not a must do, but anytime I do an oil change, I like to go ahead and prime my filter. That way at least I know my motor's not starting dry the first time. That goes for cars, trucks, boats, whatever. Just a little bit. Come over here, pull your old filter off. You'll have just a little bit of mess to clean up. Once you got that mess cleaned up, take a little bit of oil, wipe around this gasket, make sure it gets a good seal. Spin it down tight. It's time to put some oil in. Now's the easy part. Make sure you got the right oil. Make sure you got the right amount. Drop it in there. Come up top here. Down the hatch. As you can see, it's a really simple process to change oil in your 4-stroke Yamaha. The main things to do is make sure you have the right equipment on hand, the right part number for your Quicksilver oil filter, and the right amount of Quicksilver 4-stroke oil. Thanks for watching.